Sir, please explain what happened today in Mhadei matter before the Supreme Court.
Mhadei matter was taken up today by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has allowed our two interim applications, interlocutory application. One was for production of additional documents which are not produced before the tribunal. That has been granted by the Supreme Court. The documents are ordered to be produced on record. Then we wanted to take additional grounds regarding yield, total yield, etc. That amendment is also allowed by the Supreme Court, and we will be now carrying out the amendment. As far as Karnataka is concerned, since we had filed a compilation of document, Karnataka said that they want to produce more documents which were there before the tribunal in the compilation. So that is how the matter got adjourned. But in the meanwhile, our two applications are allowed.
Sir, Supreme Court has also allowed submitting more documents which were not produced before the tribunal.
Yes.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.